back out here, YouTube.
Oh, you got a sticker on it? Well, alright, you don't have to tear it up. We can do something right. You got your license credentials.
Okay, 432. Getting gas. Oh, we're gonna go conspire. What did it stop you for? Oh God, that's petty as hell. Maybe I'll give you a warning. Usually when they see the camera, they like to do the right thing. You're welcome. I'm JC News Now on YouTube. Check, appreciate it. Share, like, and subscribe. I'm a cop watcher. You bet, man. $432. Stadies. I can't see because of the glare. I don't know if y'all can or not. Plus I'm shaking like a dog trying to shit a peach seed. Nice rims. Window tint. Oh my God. Got a little rust there, buddy. Damn, it's cold. It is cold. You got a sharp truck. I like your rims. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. Shit, it's cold, y'all. It's sun shining and it's cold. I'm gonna be doing a live today at a undisclosed location, but you'll see when I go live. Got something that's keeping me from sleeping. It's on my mind.
Is he yours?
Excuse me?
Is he yours?
No, I don't own.
Right.
I don't own anybody.
Then get the hell away from my car.
I don't need any of your directives.
Then get away.
Mind your business, lady. How'd that work?
My kid, my car.
I'll film the whole
Get
thing.
the fuck away from me. Back up.
Damn. Karen.
Please stop talking.
She spoke to me, bub. Should have minded your business.
This is my business. This car, my kid. You're videoing it.
What's your name?
Don't fucking worry about it.
All right, and why don't you close your mouth?
You gonna care about this kid?
Damn, West Plains full of Karens.
Parents are fucked up on you.
She went and cried to the cops. Call her a ambulance. Call 911. What the hell? Anybody in the chat know who she is?
Dude, you're pushing it. You're really fucking pushing it.
Or what?
Don't fucking start me.
You're gonna be famous, lady.
I don't give a fuck.
I know you don't.
No one, you're fucking famous. Fuck.
Good God.
Get the fuck out of my way.
Have a good day.
Fuck off. Shit.
Tag number 2HG737. Oh, fuck off, bitch. See ya.
You're just fucking videoing people for no goddamn
Bye,
reason.
Karen.
You don't got no fucking right.
Bye, Karen. Dumb bitch. Huh?
You're Karen.
No, I'm JC, man. Share, like, and subscribe.
Okay, Karen.
Nice rims, pussy. Look at all these fucking Karens. Good God.
Now you go to jail.
All right, I probably will. Thank y'all for the warning. Y'all be safe out there. Y'all have a good day. Gave you a warning? Good job, man. Get it fixed. Yeah, they're pretty good about it. All right, we'll get some yonder. All right, little cop watch. All right, y'all, JC News Now. Peace.